What is up, guys? Before this video starts, I just wanted to make a quick announcement. If you follow me on Instagram, you may have seen my post about the Dulles Day playing pool, which benefits the Special Olympics of Virginia. Now, it's something that's been really important to me. I've been doing it since 2010 is, I think, the first year I did it. And I've been doing it since before YouTube or anything like that. But it's an event that I do through my work, and we raise money and to compete, and we go there, and it's a lot of fun. We go there and you line up in front of this gigantic airplane that you would like normally take on trips and stuff like that, and there's this huge rope and everybody lines up and it's timed for a certain distance and you pull the plane. But there's other things there too. If you want to come and check it out, you don't have to go there and pull a plane. They have a grounded air show. They have a car show, which I will be at with Foxy. They have a bus pool for kids, so you can go there and kids can pull a bus. But it's a great thing. They have live music. They have food. It's just a lot of fun, and it's for a good cause. So I would really appreciate it if you guys go check out my Instagram post. I'll link it down in the description below, and donate some money. All the money goes towards the Special Olympics of Virginia to support the athletes and to get them into events and stuff like that. So I would greatly appreciate it. But without further ado, now to your video. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know I've been gone for a while, but if you follow me on Instagram, you know I was on vacation. But anyways, to today's agenda. We are going to Dynamic Automotive's car show, and then we're rushing up to Hagerstown to go check on Foxy so I can give you guys an update on how it's doing and when it's going to be back on the street. So, without further ado, let's go. That's a dog. And the other thing you might have seen on Instagram is I got a new daily driver.
But you niggas never there. I wouldn't even count little bitches out with us. I do it for my fam, 20 rest on gifts.
And it's keyless. I just keep the key in my pocket, put my foot on the brake pedal, and hit the button. There we go. Voila.
In an inch. Gold bond with lidocaine. Relief starts now. Use as directed.
Another cool thing I can do is like customize the dash here, or not the dash, but the gauge cluster here. I can customize it to whatever I want it to be. I can do numbers, or I can switch it to that, and then I can cycle through and see like oil life and gas mileage, average gas mileage, you know, all that good stuff. Pretty nifty. But without further ado, let's get on the road.
10, 17's the ones you don't wanna diss. And you can never be like Wop, you little snitch. You make me mad, I have a threesome with your bitch. I'm from Costa East Atlanta,
We have a ride.
6. I make one return to 2, I know a trick. Don't walk and leave.
They're not really clean inside.
Well, it's a race car. You don't really worry about the inside or the outside. You're just worried about the engine, right?
Sit in the seat. I'm alright with it.
Yeah.
I try to keep it clean. I wipe it down and shit all the time.
Nice. 8 seconds, a quarter mile. 8th mile. Wow. Man, you're quick. Nice, dude.
This is yours, huh? Yeah. The main bearing for 50 miles after that's when you come up. The old pressure mouth off. We had 40 before we started. No oil, it's going to have the oil pressure though.
Alright guys, I hope you liked that little montage of the Dynamic Automotive car show. But like I said before, we still got one more thing to do today, and that thing is to go check out Foxy. So let's call Joe. I'm gonna call Joe right now, and we'll find out if I can head up and check out the car. See what Joe says. If he answers.
You have reached the voicemail box of 71.
So I didn't get an answer, but I'm hungry, so I'm gonna go get some food. Maybe just eat a little bit, and then try to call him again, see if he'll be available. But if not, that would suck. Well guys, I tried to call back and he didn't answer, so we'll have to wait on Foxy's update for another video. But as always, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Stay boosted.